Good afternoon, WRCC fans. It's the second one of the day. As I said, we've got about 5 or 6 to catch us up with ourselves on this week, so we'll have to put a lot of work in. This one is a 1970 Trafalgar Blue Morris Minor 2-door. The second time we've had it in, and we've done a lot of work on it. We can obviously provide pictures of the work that we've done, but she's had a bare metal respray, all new rubbers, new chrome, powder coated grille, new bezels, recon wheels. Quality of the paintwork's absolutely lovely, as you can see, lovely shine to it. New windpipe in there, hand drawn stripe as per all WRCC cars. New chrome, new rear lights, everything that's needed really to get it cosmetically where it needs to be. I'll just go all the way around. I've left her running. She runs lovely, drives lovely. She's absolute pleasure to drive. It's a superb car. Really, really, really nice. As far as saloons go, it's had a lot of time and attention spent on it. Probably sort of top end quality wise as far as it goes. Have a bit of a standoff. There you go, so you can have a look. Going inside, 6 previous keeps on the logbook. Say the door reveals are lovely. New door rubbers, steering wheel's nice and clean, seats are perfect, carpet's perfect, all the cards and trims in perfect order. I say 6 previous keepers, 1970, 72,772 miles. Headlining's absolutely perfect. Comes with a history file, as you can see there. New carpets, all the rear seat cover and everything's in perfect order. 4 seat belts in her, so you can take the family out. Underside's absolutely great. Really nice and clean outside, really clean inside. Upgraded with traveller door tops, as you can see, the old stainless door tops. Nice and clean in the engine bay. When we sold the last time, we put the servo on her, so the brakes are really good. Inner wings and everything's really nice and clean in there. No rot in the flitches, tie plates or on the bulkhead or anything. All the moulding, top moulding, everything about it's just really, really, really good. As always, you need to come and have a look at her really to appreciate her. It's on at 11,250, which I know is the top end for a saloon, but as I said, it is a top end saloon sort of car. Structurally it's really good, cosmetically it's absolutely fantastic, mechanically it drives really well, so come up and see us. Give us a call on 01422881221 for further details. Speak to me, Dan in sales, or email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or the full details will be on www.westridingclassics.co.uk this afternoon. Thanks guys.